All right, take a look at this. Here's a Ford you just do not see every day. 1961 Ford Galaxie Club Victoria or Starliner. Just what a beautiful two-door hardtop. Now, this was the highest trim version of the full-size Galaxie for 2 model years. It was only made 1960 and 1961, so you just do not see a lot of these. Now, as far as when decoding the VIN and or the door tag or data tag that's in the door jamb, this would have been a Desert Gold car, which by looking through the brochures was kind of a creamy yellow, might have had a little bit more gold to it, but this is similar to how this would have came as far as original color from Ford. And then it would have had a black and yellow interior in it, which it still does. So like I said, very similar to how it would have came from Ford in the day. Underneath the hood, there is a 390, which was the larger V8 that you could get in this car. That's paired with a Ford Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission that's in it. As you can see, we have the lake pipes or side pipes. Those are functioning. I would call the paint on this car a nice driver quality paint. Bright work is nice on it. Again, I would call it driver quality. Now, this particular car was with the same family for 25 plus years. They're about 110, 125 miles from us, I suppose. So they drove this car up here. It has been in longer storage. So personally, if it was my vehicle, and kind of what we recommend sometimes when they come out of storage, is get them close to home, go through them a little bit. Again, he drove it 120 odd miles, give or take, to get it here. So it's not like the car doesn't run and drive, but we always like to make sure you kind of give them the once over when they've sat for a little bit of time. So just want to give you the heads up about that. But could have played around a little bit. Wipers do work. Car starts right up. Sounds good. And we'll do that for you too. We're going to check out underneath the engine bay. You can see the yellow and black interior. Bench seats up front. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, make sure you take your time, look through the still pictures. You can see underneath the hood, check out the underside of the car. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Our phone number is 507-386-1726 also. Feel free to call us. As well as that Desert Gold, this did have a Corinthian white, so the top would be the correct color also. And again, you can check out that door tag. That's going to tell you that information. The trim code was 38 for the yellow and black, and a Z code in the VIN would tell you it was a 390. And according to that data tag, also you get around to the rear end here, it would have been a locking diff 3.56, so 356 rear gears. Now you can see the Continental package back there. Makes this just an absolutely cool long cruiser. And then of course, why not just smooth it out, even make it more streamlined. Give it that long look, but throw some extra long fender skirts on there. Like I said, you just do not see these cars at your local shows very often. Any of your roll-ins, this would be a great one to take there. Have a little fun with it and not have a car that looks like everybody else's. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Again, you can come around to the rear, see the bright work back here, those round tail lights. Smaller fins. That Art Deco early 60s vibe to it. Look at the length of that thing. You can see it's a pretty darn straight car. And again, side pipes, working side pipes. It's not a lake pipe that's just hanging underneath there fake or anything. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. You see it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches, anything like that. I mean, yeah, you're going to find imperfections here and there that were touched up because It is an older paint and has been with the same family for quite some time. So, all right, let's check out this interior. Let's get this thing fired up. See how it looks under the engine. See how the engine bay looks under the hood and how this car sounds. All right, door panels, the black and yellow theme also going. Kind of matches up with the rest of the interior. Still a stock looking dash to it. One little place where they've taped up, crack in the center there, and you can see that in the still pictures and look through them. Go ahead and fire this up. Fuel gauge does appear, goes all the way up. I don't know if that's accurate or not. It's got power to it. I did have the wipers going. Wipers work fine. Had an aftermarket stereo. Looks like somebody put down below just to have some tunes in here and didn't want to mess up the stock dash, which I don't blame them. Listen to that. We got some old school hot rod sound here. Very cool. Nice little rumble out of that 390. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open and let you check out the engine bay. All right, here we go. Think about what you'd expect out of a 61 Ford engine bay. 390. Again, heater hose, everything hooked up. Smooth running. Sounds great through those side pipes, obviously. And 390 would have been the size engine this car would have came with. Alright, so there you have it. 2-year trim level of the Ford Galaxie, known as the Club Victoria or Starliner. This one was 1961. Beautiful car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Take your time, look through all the still pictures, snoop them over at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Any questions, again, feel free to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with transportation of this car to where you're located at, and it may be available, may be eligible for an extended warranty. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.